Mastering Risk Management in Trading, your ultimate guide. Hey everybody, it's Team Sean Horton Creates here, and welcome back to the channel. Here, we're all about futures trading tips, tech insights, and music creation that empowers your journey. Today, we're diving deep into something that could make or break your trading journey: risk management. Let's build and create together. This first one is non-negotiable, guys. You've got to be trading with money you can genuinely afford to lose. I'm not talking about next month's rent or that cash you've been saving for a down payment. This is if this money vanished tomorrow, my life wouldn't implode kind of money. You're going to have losing trades. It's part of the game. Separate your trading capital from essential funds to make clearer decisions and set yourself up for long-term success. All right, let's talk about the 1 to 2% rule. It's simple. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total trading account on a single trade. Let's say you've got a $5,000 account. That means your max risk per trade is only $50 to $100. With the 1 to 2% rule, even a rough patch won't decimate your account. You'll live to trade another day, learn from your mistakes, and come back stronger. Next up, we've got stop-loss orders. A stop-loss is an order you place that automatically sells your position if the price drops to a certain level that you set. It limits your potential losses on a trade that goes against you. It takes the emotion out of those tough decisions, helping you stick to your plan and protect your capital. Chapter 4. Take profits like a pro. Now let's talk about the flip side. Taking profits. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a winning trade and want to ride it out for maximum gains. But remember, greed can be a trader's worst enemy. Locking in profits, even small ones, is crucial for consistent growth. Those smaller wins add up over time and help you build a solid foundation for your trading journey. Chapter 5. Position sizing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Position sizing is all about determining how much of your capital you're going to put into a single trade. New traders often make the mistake of going all in on a trade because they're convinced it's a guaranteed winner. Spreading out your risk across multiple smaller positions is key to weathering those inevitable market fluctuations. Chapter 6. Patience and discipline, the trader's secret weapons. Successful trading isn't about chasing every single opportunity that comes your way. It's about being patient, waiting for the right setups, and trading only when the odds are in your favor. Remember, it's not about quantity, it's about quality trades that align with your strategy. Chapter 7. Review and learn, the key to constant growth. Finally, treat every trade, win or lose, as a learning opportunity. Take the time to review your trades. This constant process of self-reflection and learning is what separates the amateurs from the pros. So, there you have it. Stick with these risk management basics, and you'll be setting yourself up with a solid foundation. Remember, managing your risk is like building a strong financial house. It's the foundation that supports all your other trading efforts. Taking the time to manage your risk properly is what's going to keep you in the game. It's about making consistent, calculated moves that protect your capital and allow you to grow over the long term. Now, let's get out there and trade smart.